how-tos.
Hi, I'm Xavier Perry Art. I'm an artist with the Desire Company, and today I'm going to show you how to use your jigsaw. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is how to remove and insert your jigsaw blade. It sounds really simple, but it's something that you definitely need to know. So on the front of your jigsaw, if you turn it upside down with the blade facing away from you in a safe position, you'll see that you have a switch here that you can turn to the left and right. If you turn it, you'll feel a spring action happen and your blade will come out, and you'll see that you have your jigsaw blade. So in order to load it back into your jigsaw, you want to turn it in the same direction. It will only turn one direction for you, so you'll know which way according to how you're holding it. And you want to slide it down the middle of the slot, and you're going to feel the spring kind of push back, but you want to push against the spring to make sure it goes below the lock and allow your finger to slowly come off of the switch there, and your blade is secure. The next thing you want to know about your jigsaw, if you have an angle that you want to cut, down below there is another lock. If you flick it out to angle, you slide it back to angle your surface area. So essentially, this will be the bottom of your table or your surface area. Your blade will come past your surface area, and you can angle it to the degree of whatever you're cutting. You want to slide it back forward. In the 0 position, you have 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees. You know, lock it in the 0, that's how you know it's completely flat. And there you are. You can also control the power with your trigger, and you can control it with your plus and minus settings here. It's right near your thumb, and the access for it is quicker than flipping through your gears down at the bottom. If I put my plus and minus on negative, it's gonna slowly start up, and then eventually the speed will kick in, almost like pressing the gas. Now let off the trigger. But if you put it all the way up on the plus position, it's gonna automatically start in the highest gear. Always keep your fingers in a safe position, always behind the blade and not in front of the blade. Another helpful tip is to make sure that your cord is out of the weight of the blade. So I like to every now and then take my cable and make sure it's either behind me or with my left hand, because I'm right-handed. So with my left hand, kind of just keep an eye on it or hold it like this on my table. And that way it'll prevent the cable from coming in front and cutting your cable, because then you will just have to replace your cable. And that's how you use your jigsaw.